Dan with Brew Contracting. We're here to do a lead water service replacement. We're in Carlstadt, New Jersey today. We are replacing this service line because it is lead. It's a health hazard. What we're going to be doing here is, as you can see, this lead line comes through the floor, specifically at this property, feeds this meter, and then feeds the house here, okay? What we're going to be doing is, there's another section of this house in front. We're going to be relocating the service line from this corner of the property to here, this entry point. This is a service mole. This will mole underneath the ground and enable us to pull a brand new 3/4 inch copper line through this area. We'll then relocate the meter to here, run a brand new supply line up into these joists, and reconnect the house supply here. Then what we'll do is we'll cap this off so that there's no pressure coming to this area. Abandon the lead service line underneath the ground, and then continue our work outside, pulling the copper line through the pits, connect to the curb valve, pressurize the house, drain the line. Stay tuned.